Well, some of those firefighters call the Tri-Cities region home. When that call for help came, they answered.
Josh Smith just spoke with one of them. Tonight, close to 20 Tri-Cities agencies are helping our neighbors in need. Sydney Cameron continues our Gatlinburg wildfires team coverage with a look at those who journeyed into the flames.
Firefighters and emergency workers from Hawkins to Carter counties are all in Gatlinburg helping to fight these devastating wildfires. Between last night and today, nearly 90 first responders traveled to Sevier County, including Bristol, Kingsport, Elizabethton, Goshen Valley, and Piney Flats fire departments. The Johnson City Fire Department sent 17 firefighters and 4 trucks. They spent the entire night battling fires on residential properties, only to go back out again this morning.
There was a lot of fires going on. The mountains were on fire. Also, many cottages, chalets, homes. There was, almost like Roman candles all over the mountains where things were burning.
The Greenville Fire Department sent 6 firefighters down yesterday, and the department posted these gripping images to their Facebook page. Today, 5 more crew members, including the fire chief himself, loaded up to head down and relieve their colleagues and do what they can to help.
It may be us that is needing help the next time, and fire service is always good to lend assistance wherever it's needed.
The Greenville fire chief says they are not sure when they will be back, but they are preparing for the long haul. And that is something that many other fire departments are echoing tonight, saying they will stay as long as Gatlinburg needs their help.